What if I told you that a simple two-word phrase, limited edition, could make ordinary products sell out in hours? Sneakers, perfumes, phones, even coffee mugs. Why do people rush, fight, and even pay double just to get something that might not even be the best? The answer lies in one powerful psychological trigger: scarcity. Scarcity makes something seem more valuable because it feels rare. When things are abundant, we take them for granted. When they're rare, we chase them. The human brain is wired to fear missing out, FOMO. This is not new. It's rooted in survival. Our ancestors valued what was scarce: water in a desert, food in winter. Real-life examples of scarcity at work: sneaker drops, Nike, Adidas, Yeezy, limited pairs, huge resale markets. Concert tickets sell out in minutes, fans pay 5x on resale. McDonald's McRib, only released occasionally, but people line up because of its scarcity. Disney Vault strategy: old movies made unavailable for years, then re-released with huge hype. Why scarcity affects the brain? Psychological pressure. When time or quantity is limited, decisions speed up. The brain hates uncertainty, so we grab what's available before it's gone. Social proof. If others are rushing to buy, we assume it must be worth it. Emotional urgency beats rational thinking. Scarcity in online shopping. Think about Amazon, eBay, or other online stores. Flash sales, countdown timers, only 3 left in stock, or deal ends in 2 hours. Even if the product isn't rare, your brain reacts as if it is. You feel the pressure to buy now, even if you weren't planning to. Here's the trick brands use. They combine scarcity with social proof. You see 50 people are viewing this product, and suddenly your brain thinks, I might miss out. Relatable tip: next time you see a countdown or limited stock, pause and ask yourself, do I actually need this, or am I buying because of scarcity? Awareness is your best defense. Scarcity in social life. Scarcity isn't just for products. Your time, attention, and energy are scarce too. Ever notice that friends value your advice more when you're busy and hard to reach? Or that people want to hang out more when you're not always available? Scarcity increases perceived value. It's why mentors, leaders, and influencers who aren't constantly available are more respected and sought after. Relatable example: if a friend is always free to talk or help, their time feels ordinary. But if they occasionally say, I'm a bit busy this week, can we catch up later? Suddenly, their presence feels more meaningful.
Scarcity works with knowledge and skills too. Skills that are rare or in high demand, like coding, AI, blockchain, or public speaking, make you more valuable in the market. Think about your team at work. If only a few people know a particular tool or system, you automatically become the go-to person. That scarcity of expertise gives you leverage and opportunities others don't have. Example: learning an in-demand skill like AI prompt engineering or cryptocurrency trading can set you apart. The fewer people who have it, the higher your value, both in money and influence. Scarcity in personal goals and self-improvement. When you limit certain habits or goals, you increase focus and motivation. Example: instead of saying, I'll exercise whenever I feel like it, schedule just 3 days a week. That limited availability makes you more consistent and committed. Scarcity also helps with attention. If you try to do everything at once, nothing feels special. But if you prioritize and limit your focus to a few high-impact goals, you become more effective and respected. Real-life insight. Warren Buffett often talks about the 25-5 rule. List 25 goals, pick the top 5 most important, ignore the rest. Limiting yourself makes your efforts rare, powerful, and valuable. How to use scarcity wisely. In business, limited time offers, countdowns, early bird discounts. In personal life, value your time. don't overshare availability. The key? Authentic scarcity works, fake scarcity backfires. Lesson: scarcity is powerful, but it must be used ethically.
Scarcity is powerful, but if used carelessly, it can backfire on both businesses and individuals. It can make you act impulsively, overpay, or even undervalue what really matters. Here's how to spot the traps and protect yourself. 1. Fake scarcity. Some brands create artificial shortages, countdowns, limited stock alerts, or exclusive offers just to pressure you. Even if there's plenty available, your brain reacts as if it's scarce. Tip: always check availability, reviews, and alternatives before buying. Pause and ask yourself, is this truly limited, or is it marketing pressure? 2. Scarcity plus social proof trap. Seeing others rush to buy something triggers fear of missing out. You might end up buying just because everyone else is doing it. Tip: don't follow the crowd blindly. Ask, do I really need this? Does it serve me, or am I chasing fear? 3. Overvaluing scarce things. Just because an item is rare doesn't make it better. Scarcity can inflate perceived value, tricking you into thinking it's exceptional. Tip: compare objectively. Look at quality, usefulness, and long-term value. Don't let rarity replace judgment. 4. Emotional scarcity in relationships. Some people create artificial unavailability to feel valued, but it can lead to misunderstandings or manipulation. Scarcity should enhance respect, not control. Tip: use scarcity authentically. Value your time, but stay approachable and fair. 5. Time scarcity trap in self-improvement. Limiting tasks or goals can boost focus, but over-restricting can create unnecessary stress or missed opportunities. Tip: balance scarcity with flexibility. Set clear priorities, but allow for adaptation and growth. Relatable insight? Scarcity is a double-edged sword. It can make products desirable, people respect it, or even habits more effective. But without awareness, it can make you impulsive, anxious, or misled. The difference lies in conscious use. Create scarcity strategically and respond to it wisely. Line to emphasize: scarcity isn't just a marketing tactic, it's a mindset. Use it ethically, recognize it everywhere, and it becomes your superpower, not your trap. Scarcity turns the ordinary into extraordinary. It makes sneakers priceless, events unforgettable, and even people more respected. The next time you see only 2 left in stock, pause. Ask yourself, do I want it because it's valuable or because it's scarce? Remember, scarcity influences us all, but awareness gives us control.